am Dr. Bandyopadhyay, your biology professor. Today we will discuss about one important topic related to our life and to the environment, which is known as the photosynthesis. So how plants produce their own food. Now we will learn. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is not a behavior of particularly like animals or humans. So it is a mechanism, metabolism, which is observed in green plants and algae and some other green bacteria. So during photosynthesis, the green plants mainly uses light energy to convert it to the chemical energy. So with the help of the sunlight, the water and the carbon dioxide, the food of the plants, which is the glucose C6H12O6, it's a carbohydrate, is produced, as well as oxygen, which is required for our respiration, is also generated. So it is happened in the particular part of a plant, green plants, which is known as chloroplast. It is found inside the cells. Chloroplast is not present in animal cells, which is actually present in the green plants and algae. So there are some different organs, just like different parts of the chloroplast, like thylakoid membrane, like stroma. So this is a double membrane structures. All have different functions and roles in case of the photosynthesis. So this is the photosynthesis equation. So 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O. From 6 CO2 and 6 H2O, C6H12O6 or glucose and 6 O2 oxygen is generated. You can see this is 6C. So from 6C there is also 6C. O here oxygen is 6 into 2 means 12 plus 6 means 12 plus 6 equals to 18. So you can see here 6 and here 6 into 2 means 12. Here also 18. So balanced. And also hydrogen here 6 into 2 means 6 into 2 is 12. Here also 12. So glucose and oxygen is generated like in these reactions. So there are two stages of photosynthesis. One is the stage 1, which is called as light reactions. Another one is the stage 2, which is called as dark reaction. In light reaction, which is occurred in the thylakoid membrane of chloroplast, and dark reaction, which is occurred in the stroma of the chloroplast. We will see that. So this is the place where light reaction is occurred here in the thylakoid, here, and dark reaction occurs in the stroma, this portion. The stages where in the light reactions, with the help of the sunlight, the ATP and NADPH is produced. So this is the ATP and NADPH. It is a light reaction. It is a Kelvin cycle or the dark reaction. So the ATP and NADPH produced by the light reaction is further utilized for the dark reaction. So here it is a NADP plus and ADP plus PI. ATP means adenosine triphosphate and ADP means adenosine diphosphate. So when triphosphate breaks down, it becomes ADP adenosine diphosphate and one extra phosphate, which is the inorganic phosphate. So in the light reactions, this is the process where there are two systems. One is called photosystem 2, another one is called the photosystem 1. So with the help of the photon, in the photosystem 2, where the wavelength is 680, now then it is excited, and through this the cytochrome B complex is performed, and then it comes to the photosystem 1, where the wavelength is P700. So 700 nanometer. Then after entering with the photon kwana, light energy, then it becomes also activated, and then at last NADPH is produced. So sunlight is properly absorbed and the water is split to release mainly the oxygen, and the energy is stored in form of ATP and NADPH. So this is the dark reaction where ATP and NADPH, which was actually used for produced in light reaction, is now utilized, and this stage does not require light. So there is an enzyme called ribulose bis-phosphate carboxylase oxygenase, which takes parts in this cyclic process, which is known as Calvin cycle. So, for importance of photosynthesis, photosynthesis is required for producing oxygen, what is required for our breathing, our respiration, and also for it produces the glucose, which is the food for the plants, is also required for maintaining the particular food chain, and also for the environment. It has an environmental impact which helps, because for oxygen is produced and carbon dioxide is utilized, so it is used to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide. So knowledge of photosynthesis also requires for our own health benefits and for the environment.